Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bookmap on TradingView. It's important to understand that Bookmap isn't directly integrated into TradingView, so we'll explore effective workarounds. This guide will help you understand the different methods available to visualize order flow data, enhancing your trading analysis. We'll cover both external software solutions and third-party indicators, giving you a comprehensive overview of your options. One common method involves running Bookmap as a separate application. First, connect Bookmap to your broker's data feed, which typically updates 40 times per second for real-time market depth. Then, you can use screen sharing or mirroring software to display Bookmap alongside, or even overlaid onto your TradingView charts. This approach provides Bookmap's detailed heat map and volume bubbles, offering a granular view of market liquidity and order flow. Another option is to utilize third-party indicators available within TradingView's extensive public library. While not true Bookmap, some community-developed tools aim to replicate aspects of order flow and market depth visualization. Search for terms like order flow or depth of market to find these. These indicators can offer valuable insights, but always verify their data sources and reliability to ensure accuracy for your trading decisions. It's crucial to remember that direct Bookmap functionality is not native to TradingView. Workarounds, while helpful, might introduce slight latency or display discrepancies compared to a dedicated Bookmap platform. For the most precise order flow analysis, especially for high-frequency trading, a dedicated Bookmap subscription is often recommended. Always cross-reference data with your primary trading platform to ensure accuracy and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.